If a user's password has been changed locally on the thin client device, then you can use the Credential Manager to update the communication between the thin client and Control Center. This restores access to the ARM Shell-based thin client via Control Center. I'll show you how you can make sure that these two can communicate. In VisuNet Control Center, your thin client devices are not authenticated with the correct password. You can fix this by using the Credential Wizard. For VisuNet Control Center to access the thin clients, it needs to know the credentials of the local administrative accounts. Here are two scenarios where the communication must first be authenticated. This happens, for example, when Control Center is used to access the devices for the first time. Then the thin client's credentials must first be saved in Control Center to establish a connection. A similar scenario occurs when the password of the local administrative accounts is changed via the domain. In this case, the Control Center also needs to receive the new passwords to restore communication between the Control Center and the thin clients. To avoid having to enter these passwords individually, you can use this path Update Communication Authentication. Here you can enter the credentials of the local administrative accounts of the ARM Shell 5 and 6 devices simultaneously in order to be able to access the ARM Shell devices from Control Center. Just like in the other paths of the Credential Wizard, you can import data as a CSV file. You can export data and then change it, for example in Excel, which can be helpful if you want to do a bulk password update for multiple devices. Select the devices that don't have an active communication. Manual changes can either be done in bulk via the pencil or individually by clicking directly into the box. In this example, we bulk change all passwords to the same one at the same time. The icon on the left indicates the status of the password change. For ARM Shell 5 devices, the process is the same. Import and export data or change it manually. The monitor icons on the left turn green, indicating that the update of the communication has been successful. The devices can now be accessed via Control Center. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.